Welcome to our channel MPC Foundation Academy. The chapter is Physics and Motion. Subtopic is multiple and submultiple units. Subject Physics, class 6th. Now we will go to video. Here what is mean by multiple units and submultiple units? First one is the multiple units. Units which are used to measure large quantities. Units which are used to measure large quantities are called multiple units. See here, when we have to measure quantities, which quantities? Large quantities. In that time we used units. That type of units are called multiple units. For example, distance between Hyderabad and Warangal is 1,18,000 meters. Here gave in meters. How many meters here? 1,18,000 meters. Okay. Now we have to convert the meters to kilometers. I am writing 1,18,000 meter instead of 1,18,000 meter. I am writing 118 into 1000 meters. 118 into 1000 meters. Next here 118 into, already we know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Okay, instead of 1000 meters I am writing 1 kilometer into 1 kilometer. Here we are getting 118 kilometers. See here, distance is equal to 1,18,000 meters is nothing but 118 into 1000 meters. Instead of 1000 meters I am writing 1 kilometer. Okay, means here 1000 indicates kilo indicates 1000. That's why instead of 1000 I am writing k only. K means here kilo. Kilo is the multiple unit. Kilo is multiple unit of meter here. Kilo is multiple unit of meter. That's why here this is the multiple unit. Multiple unit of meter is kilo. Here kilo it represents what here? Number 1000. 1000 means what here? We can write 1000 is equal to 10 to the power of 3. 10 to the power of 3. 1 after how many zeros are there here? 3 zeros are there here. That's why I am writing here, instead of 1000 I am writing 10 to the power of 3. Okay. 10 power positive numbers are the multiple units. 10 power positive numbers are the examples of multiple units. For example, 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3, 10 power 6, 10 power 9, 10 power 12, like this. These all are the multiple units. These are all the multiple units are large units. This is the multiple units. Next one submultiple units. Next one is what here? Submultiple units. What is the definition of submultiple units here? Units which are using to measure smallest quantities. What here? Smallest quantities. That type of units are called submultiple units. That type of units are called what here? Submultiple units. Units which measure smallest quantities. Such type of units are called submultiple units. For example, here they give 5 centimeter is equal to how many meters? Here centi is the submultiple units. I am explaining here, listen. Here 5 centimeters is equal to dash meter. This is the question. See here, we know 1 meter is nothing but 100 centimeters. 1 meter is nothing but 100 centimeters. But we want only 1 centimeter. 100 is goes to other side of the is equal to, that will become 1 by 100. That will become 1 by 100. Denominator is there na. When we have to write the power to denominator numbers, we have to mention negative symbols. Minus 2 here, 10 to the power of minus 2. See, observe here, 10 to the power of 2 is nothing but 1 after 2 zeros. 10 to the power of minus 2 is nothing but 1 by 1 after 2 zeros. 10 to the power of 3 is nothing but 1 after 3 zeros. 10 to the power of minus 3 is nothing but 1 divided by 1 after 3 zeros. Okay. Here in denominator power indicates minus, numerator power indicates plus. Okay. Here submultiple units is nothing but here smallest units compared to the units. That's why 10 to the power of minus numbers also all belongings to submultiples. 10 to the power of minus number belongings to submultiples. Here I am writing 10 to the power of minus 2, 10 to the power of minus 3, 10 to the power of minus 6, 10 to the power of minus 8, 10 to the power of minus 9, 10 to the power of minus 12. These are the examples of submultiple units. Now what is the problem here? 5 centimeter is equal to how many meters? Okay. Instead of centimeter I am writing here 10 to the power of minus 2 meter or 1 by 100 meter. Instead of centimeter I am writing here what here 10 to the power of minus 2 meter is nothing but 1 by 100 meter, 1 by 100 meter. Okay na, that's why 5 by 100, 5 by 100 meter, 5 by 100 meter what here 0.05 meter means here 5 centimeter is equal to how much value will get 0.05 meters. This is the submultiple units. Mainly you have to remember if 10 to the power of minus number is there, that is the submultiple. If 10 to the power of plus number is there, that is the multiple units. Multiple units is the large quantities, submultiple units are the small quantities. This is the main difference between submultiples and multiple units. Next, right, some multiple units are there. Observe here, very important one, this one. See here you have to remember like these all are one. First deca, deca is the one multiple, deca is the one multiple. The indication of deca is small d small a, small d small a. Okay na, the number is 10, 10 is nothing but 10 to the power of 1, 10 to the power of 9, 1 is nothing but 10 to the power of plus 1 only. No need to write plus sign, that's why only write we write numbers. Without sign is there means plus number is there. Next one hecto, what here hecto, hecto means here what symbol small h. What is the number of hecto? 100, nothing but 10 to the power of 2. Why? Because here hectometer is nothing but what here 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. Okay na, sorry 10 to the power of plus 2 meters. Okay. Decameter is nothing but 10 meters, deca is 10 meters. Okay. Next third one is the kilo, kilo. The symbol of kilo is small k, the number is 100, sorry the number is 1000, 1000 means how much number here 10 to the power of 3, 10 to the power of 3 is the multiple, 10 to the power of 3 is the multiple, that's why kilometer is nothing but kilo means how much here 10 to the power of 3 meter is unit. Here 10 to the power of 3 indicates kilo. Next one mega, mega is multiple unit, the symbol is capital M. 1 after how many zeros are there here? 6 zeros are there here. 1 after how many zeros are 6 zeros. That's why 10 to the power of 6 means mega meter is nothing but 10 to the power of 6 meters. Mega means 10 to the power of 6 meters. Next to giga, giga means capital G. Giga means what here? Capital G is 1 after how many zeros? 9 zeros. 1 after how many zeros? 9 zeros. That's why giga means nothing but 10 to the power of 9. Gigameter, gigameter is nothing but what here? 10 to the power of 9 meters. Okay na. Next tera, tera meters what here? Capital T. What is the abbreviation of tera here? Capital T. 1 after 12 zeros. 1 after how many zeros are there here? 12 zeros. That is the 10 to the power of 12. 10 to the power of 12. Here tera meter is nothing but how many meters? 10 to the power of 12 meters. These all are the large quantities. These are the large quantities. That's why these 6 are examples for the multiple unit. These 6 are examples for the multiple unit. I am repeating once again. Deca means here symbol also very important. Deca symbol small d a is nothing but 10, hecto small h 10 to the power of 2, kilo small k 10 to the power of 3, mega capital M 10 to the power of 6, giga capital G 10 to the power of 9, tera 10 to the power of 12, capital T symbol. Okay na? You should remember these all one. Next one. Next one submultiples are there. Now we will discuss here submultiple units. What here? Submultiple units. Now only multiple units completed na. Now multiple units used for large quantities. Now submultiple units used for small quantities. Submultiple units used for small quantities, small quantities. For example, first submultiple is deci. Here in multiple units we learned deca. What is the symbol of deca? Da. Deca symbol is the Da, don't confuse. Deci symbol is D, only small d, here D. D indicates what here? 10 to the power of minus 1 is nothing but 1 by 10, 1 by 10. Okay, next centi. Centi symbol what here? Small c, 1 by 100, 1 by 100 is nothing but 1 10 to the power of minus 2. Next milli. Milli is submultiple units, the symbol of milli is small m. Okay, here the symbol of milli is small m, the number is the 1 by 1000, 1 by 1000, 10 to the power of minus 3, 10 to the power of minus 3. You see here, decimeter is equal to 10 to the power of minus 1 meter. Centimeter is equal to 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. Millimeter is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. Okay na? Next micro, the indication of micro like this is called mu. This is called mu. What is the symbol of this one? What is the name of this one? Mu. Mu indicates micro. 1 by 1 after 6 zeros. That is the 10 to the power of 6 minus 6. 1 micrometer. This is micrometer is equal to 10 to the power of minus 6 meters. Okay, next nano. Nano symbol is small n. 1 divided by 1 after how many zeros here? 9 zeros. That's why 10 to the power of minus 9. Nano small n meter is equal to 10 to the power of minus 9 meters. Next pico. The symbol is p, small p. 1 divided by 1 after how many zeros here? In denominator stage 1 after 12 zeros. That's why 1 picometer is equal to 10 to the power of minus 12 meters. 10 to the power of minus 12 meters. See here once again I am repeating. Deci small d 10 to the power of minus 1. Centi small c 10 to the power of minus 2. Milli small m 10 to the power of minus 3. Micro mu 10 to the power of minus 6. Nano small n 10 to the power of minus 9. Pico small p 10 to the power of minus 12. These all are the submultiple units. Submultiple units used for to measure the small quantities. Okay, next here observe large quantities such as distance between planets are measured in light years. Here when we are this light year is nothing but here unit of light year is nothing but unit of light year, the unit of distance, not time. Don't confuse. Okay, in next videos you will learn what is mean by light year. Don't worry. Next only year indicates unit of the time. Okay, here light year the unit of what year? Distance, large unit. Okay, what is the use of light year? Light year uses to determine the distance between planets. We used one unit, that is the light year. What is the value of light year here? Light year is the 9.46 into 10 to the power of 12 kilometer. 9.46 into 10 to the power of 12 kilometer is nothing but 1 light year. You should remember light year is the unit of distance, not time. Only year is the unit of time. Okay, next this is the multiple unit. Light year is what year? Light year is example of multiple unit. Next one, small, very small length such as size of atoms, molecules. Size of atoms and molecules is expressed using in micro and angstroms. See here, micro and angstroms are the submultiples. What here? Submultiples. These are the very small quantities. What is mean by angstrom here? Angstrom indication 1 capital A, this one, that is equal to 10 to the power of minus 10 meter, 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. 1 micron, 1 mu is equal to 10 to the power of minus 6 meter, 10 to the power of minus 6 meter here. See here submultiples. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. 1 micron is equal to 1 micrometer, that is equal to 10 to the power of minus 6 meters. These all are the submultiples. Above light year is the multiple unit. Okay, thank you. Subscribe my channel and share my channel to your friends. Thank you.